Laksha Academy. Okay, good morning, all of. Okay, this is the part 9 of excretory products and their elimination. Okay, in this part, we are going to learn JG apparatus, juxtaglomerular apparatus. It is important for IP as well as for NEET exam. Okay, juxtaglomerular apparatus, it plays an important role in urine formation. Okay, juxtaglomerular apparatus consists of three components: JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells, macula densa, and mesangial cells. Okay, these are the three parts in juxtaglomerular apparatus consists of JG cells, macula densa, and mesangial cells. Mesangial cells. Okay, these are the three parts of it. Okay, first let us see about JG cells. Okay, what are the three components in it? JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells, and macula densa, and mesangial cells. JG cells means juxtaglomerular cells. You can observe here. Okay, juxta means next. You learned earlier juxtamedullary nephrons. Okay, juxtaglomerular cells. These are the cells here present in the efferent arteriole. These are the modified smooth muscle cells. Arteriole. The wall of the arteriole consists of smooth muscle. Okay, those smooth muscle cells are modified into juxtaglomerular cells. Okay, juxtaglomerular apparatus consists of JG cells around the efferent arteriole. This is the efferent arteriole. Around this efferent arteriole, what are present here? JG cells are present, which can sense the blood pressure, how much blood is coming here, what is the pressure, and produce one enzyme called renin, or we can say hormone also. Okay, produced and one hormone called, what do we call that? Renin, not renin. This is renin. Okay, what are the differences between that renin, renin, renin? That is one renin. Another one now we are talking about renin. What are the differences between this renin and this renin? Look at this one. Okay, this is the 2 marks. Okay, renin is produced in the stomach. Okay, renin is produced in the stomach in the form of prorenin. Prorenin, and it is produced by cells called chief cells. Chief cells are otherwise called peptic cells. Peptic cells produce them, and this renin is produced in the kidney. It is produced in the stomach. It is produced in the kidney. It is produced by peptic cells. It is produced by JG cells. And what is the function of this renin? It converts casein is a milk protein. It converts it into calcium para-caseinate in the presence of calcium ions. Next, what is the function of these JG cells? renin. It converts angiotensinogen, ANGI. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced by the inactive protein produced by the liver, which is converted to active form called angiotensin, angiotensin by renin. Those are the difference between renin and renin. Okay, that is important here. This renin is produced by which cells? JG cells. JG cells means juxtaglomerular cells. Okay, these are the modified smooth muscle cells of the efferent arteriole consists of these cells. Next, come to another component that is called macula densa. We completed this part. This is JG cells. Next, macula densa. Okay, macula densa cells in the DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Okay, you can observe here DCT. Okay, look at this part here. Okay, this is the Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, and this is a DCT, distal convoluted tubule. This DCT comes in contact with the efferent arteriole. Okay, this is the efferent arteriole, and it is in contact with the DCT, efferent arteriole, and what is another one here? DCT. They come in contact, and that, okay, this is the DCT, transfer section of DCT. And here there are cells called, these crowdy cuboidal cells are called as macula, cells of distal tubule, distal convoluted tubule, and these are very closely packed cells. Okay, these are called macula densa, macula densa. Okay, that is one of the part here, macula densa. Macula densa, okay, it is a part of DCT. It is a part of DCT. These are the modified cuboidal cells. Cuboidal cells are modified into macula densa. And juxtaglomerular cells, JG cells. Okay, JG cells, what do JG cells produce? JG, juxtaglomerular cells, produce, these are present in efferent arteriole. Okay, these are present in efferent arteriole, and they produce one enzyme called, okay, RENIN. Sorry, RENIN. Okay, come to the next one. Mesangial cells. What is the function of mesangial cells? You can observe here two types of mesangial cells, otherwise called Lassie cells. Extraglomerular mesangial cells, intraglomerular mesangial cells. Okay, this is the capillaries, glomerulus. Okay, these are the capillaries. Okay, in between these capillaries, among these capillaries, you can observe here blue color cells called messenger cells, and these are present within the glomerulus. These are called intraglomerular mesangial cells, and some are present outside here. These are called extraglomerular mesangial cells, otherwise called Lassie cells. And they help in contraction, and they also perform phagocytosis, and they also help in secretion. That is the functional physical support for the capillary lobes. They are giving physical support to the capillary lobes here. Okay, you can observe here, this is the distal convoluted tubule transverse section. Okay, cross section. Here the cells are very crowdly arranged, and these cells are called as, this part is called as macula densa. Okay, you can write down these notes. JG cells, macula densa, and mesangial cells. Modified smooth muscle cells in the wall of the efferent arteriole. In the wall of the efferent arteriole, there are modified smooth muscle cells near the DCT, which are called JG cells. JG cells secrete an enzyme called renin. JG cells secrete an enzyme called renin. And renin convert inactive protein angiotensinogen into active angiotensin. Okay, renin, RENIN. Renin convert inactive protein angiotensinogen into active angiotensin. And renin is released when glomerular filtration rate falls. Okay, when is it released? It is released when GFR, glomerular filtration rate, decreases. Okay, that's about this part. Next, come to the macula densa. We completed this one, JG cells. Macula densa, a mass of cuboidal cells in the DCT. You have already seen here. Okay, these are the cuboidal cells. Okay, mass of cuboidal cells in the DCT wall near the JG called macula densa. These cells are activated when Na plus levels in the blood falls. Okay, these macula densa cells increase the production of renin. Okay, that is important one. Next one, mesangial cells, otherwise called Lassie cells, present between JG cells and macula densa. Present between JG cells and macula densa. The process of mesangial cells connect the JG cells with densa. Okay, macula densa is connected to JG cells by the process of mesangial cells. Contraction of these cells regulate urine formation. That's about mesangial cell. It is not given in our NCERT or in our state textbook. Okay, mesangial cells contract, some glomerular capillaries close, and surface area decreases, and K plus, okay, K decreases, and it is not given in our syllabus, and GFR, glomerular filtration rate, decreases. Okay, that is the function of mesangial cells. There are two types of mesangial cells. Okay, that's about JGA, juxtaglomerular apparatus, which consists of three components: JG cells, macula densa, and mesangial cells.